I'm Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, and this is the story of how I turned barriers into building blocks and founded one of India's leading biopharmaceutical companies. I was born in Bangalore in 1953. As a child, I dreamed of becoming a doctor, but life had other plans. I couldn't secure a medical scholarship. That moment could have closed a door for good. But my father, a brewmaster, saw something else in me. He encouraged me to study fermentation science. So I went to Australia and became India's first female brewmaster. When I returned to India, I faced rejection after rejection. Breweries wouldn't hire me, not because of my skills, but because I was a woman. Each no only fueled my determination. I realized I had to forge my own path, on my own terms. In 1978, I started Biocon in the garage of a rented house in Bangalore with just a few thousand rupees and no prior business experience. We began by producing industrial enzymes. It was a niche market with little competition and even less certainty. Most banks wouldn't lend to me. Talented people were hesitant to join a woman-led startup. Investors doubted us. But I believed in science, and I believed in myself. Back then, building a biotech company in India wasn't just hard, it was unheard of. There was no ecosystem, no real infrastructure, but we persisted. We earned credibility project by project. Every rupee we made, we reinvested into research, into people, into innovation. The turning point came when we moved from enzymes to biopharmaceuticals. Our mission became clear: deliver affordable, high quality medicines to people who need them the most. Insulin, cancer drugs, biosimilars. We were determined to close the gap between cutting edge science and everyday patients. Biocon grew from a garage startup into a global biotech powerhouse. We formed global partnerships, built advanced manufacturing facilities, and created one of Asia's largest biotech R&D hubs. But beyond the business growth, what truly matters is impact, giving patients access to life-saving treatments they once couldn't afford, creating opportunities for women in science, proving that a woman from Bangalore with no business background could build a world-class, science-driven company. I've been honored with awards like the Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan, but the recognition that means the most, it's when a patient thanks us for giving them a second chance, or when a young woman says, "I saw someone like me, and I knew I could too." This journey has taught me rejection is often redirection. Innovation is born under pressure, and leadership is about lifting others as you rise. Biocon continues to evolve, and so do I. I still advocate for healthcare access, women's empowerment, and scientific education, not just in boardrooms, but in classrooms, labs, and homes. This isn't just my story. It's a story of possibility, of turning challenge into catalyst, of believing against the odds that science, courage, and compassion can change the world.